Welcome to XSwap Protocol. This video would guide you on how to remove liquidity in the XDCPay wallet. Open your XDCPay wallet and go to the browser and type in app.xspswap.finance. app.xspswap.finance. Click on Connect Wallet and choose XDCPay. Go to the upper left-hand corner of the screen, click on Pool, click on Manage, and click on Remove. Choose the liquidity that you want to remove. In this case, I want to remove 100%. Click on Remove, Confirm, then click on Submit. Close, then wait for the transaction to finish. Click on the back arrow and confirm that the liquidity is removed. Open your wallet and confirm that the removed liquidity tokens are there. Thank you for choosing XSwap Protocol.